वेलकम टू वीलर्न। वीलर्न में आपका स्वागत है। सब्जेक्ट ऑपरेशन रिसर्च, सेशन नंबर 8। टॉपिक टू बी कवर्ड इन दिस सेशन: डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग, इंट्रोडक्शन, डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग methodology and example, definition and notations, dynamic programming applications. And our introduction: dynamic programming provides us with an alternative methodology for solving multi-stage problems involving decisions over several stages in a sequence. By the very nature of any planning problems, decisions are called for every period, so that the multi-stage aspect is essentially inherent in such problems. Associated with each stage or period are input data, decision variables, output parameters, and objective functions. For determining the effectiveness of the decisions taken, the objective functions of the problem is arrived at from the individual objective functions of the stages. Other situations also exist where different decisions are to be taken, not necessarily in a sequence. Imposing an arbitrary sequence in such a situation does not change the original problem and helps us in applying DP methodology. DP methodology example: here circles denote cities and lines between two such circles represent highways, like this one. Connecting the cities, the numbers inside the circles represent city numbers and those given besides the lines denote the distances between the cities connected by the lines. This problem can be definitely be solved by enumerating all possible routes from city 1 to 10 and calculating the total distance for each route. The route that gives the minimum distance would be the required answer. DP provides us with an alternative methodology for solving multi-stage problem. Identifications of a stage and state corresponding to a problem situations form the first steps in this direction. The methods is based on principle of optimality. The principle essentially recognizes the fact that period by period optimization is myopic. The objective is to finalize the procedures to help you in gaining insight into the DP methodology. Stage first: the points at which decisions are called for. Each stage can be thought of having a beginning and an end. The different stages come in a sequence with the editing of the stage marking the beginning of the immediately succeeding stage. State: the variables that links up two stages is called a state variable. At any stage, the status of the problems can be described by values the state variables can take. These values are referred to as state. And now, principles of the optimality. The principle states that the optimal decisions from any state in a stage to the end is independent of how one actually arrives at that state. Notation specific to DP: let functions of ns denote the overall optimal objective functions, values with n more stage to go and s as the starting state. Let j denote the decisions or possible alternatives at s. Let dsj denote the effect of starting from state s and deciding on alternative j. This is the objective functions corresponding to the stage we are in. Let functions of d denotes the overall optimal objective function, value with no more stages to go, and d the destinations as the starting stage, function of d equal to 0. Definition notation 6: states 8, 9, decision 10, 10 and distance 9 and 6 kilometer. So thus from table 1 with n1, function of 1 8 equal to 9 and function 1 9 equal to 6. Note that the initial conditions are given by f0 10 which is equal to 0. Now in order to compute f2s for s equal to 5, 6 and 7, note that for each of the states there are two possible alternatives which would imply an effect of ds8 and ds9 respectively. f2s being the overall optimal from s to 10, it can be expressed as f2s equal to minimum of ds8 plus f18, ds9 plus f19 for s equal to 5, 6 and 7. It should be apparent that in our example dsj is the distance between the city s and j, and the same computation has been done in table 2. Using the same notation, table 3 and 4 computations can be expressed as f3s equal to minimum ds5 plus f25, ds6 plus f26, ds7 plus f27 for s equal to 2, 3, 4, and f4s equal to minimum ds2 plus f32, ds3 plus f33, ds4 plus f34 for s equal to 1. In general, we can express the above as follows: function of s minimum dsj plus functions of n minus ij, where n equal to 1 to 4, where f0 10 equal to 0. The objective functions ns is thus computed in dp through an equations that is functions of at least 2 stages. This equation is referred to as recursive equations of simply recursions. DP involves a stage-by-stage solution procedure. Starting from the last stage, given the associated objective functions of that stage, we can write it down as a functions of the decision variables pertaining to that stage and the stage variables beginning of the stage. This function gives the effect of starting with a particular state and taking a decision if the problems consisted only of the last stages. This can be formulated as a mathematical program with xij equal to 1 if the find between ct I and j is in the shortest route equal to 0. Otherwise, the objective functions f dot may be expressed as 1 1 dij xij. This function is an addition of the effect of the individual stages. The nature of this function is important for applying the stage by stage procedure. The functions is required to be separable and monotonous. Additive functions are separable, hence we could apply dp. Multiplicative functions are also separable. Thus, if our problem would have been to find the root from 1 to 10 that maximizes or minimizes the product of all the distances of the lines in the route, then also dp could have been applied. And find the longest route. Is it possible to apply dp for solution? If your answer is yes, then solve the problem. If the answer is no, then give your reasons for the answer. Example 2. The general recursions can be written as follows: function of ns equal to maximum dsj plus fn minus 1 1, where n equal to 1 to 4, where f0 10 equal to 0. State decision 8 10 9, then 9 10 6. Distance table 2 n equal to 2. Decision state 5 6 4 plus 9 equal to 3 7, then 8 9, then 6 plus 9 15, 9 plus 6 equal to 15, then 3 plus 9 equal to 12, then 8 plus 6 14, 7 plus 6 13. Best decision 8 9 and best distance 15 and 13. Then table 3 and 3, decision state 6 plus 15 21, 5 plus 15 20 and 5 plus 15 20, 5 6 7, 8 plus 15 23, 4 plus 15 29, 5 plus 15 20, then 9 plus 13 22, 6 plus 13 19, 7 plus 13 20, then best decisions 23 and 20, and 5 6 7 20. Then table 4 and 4, decisions 4 plus 23 27, 2 3 4, then 6 plus 20 26, 6 plus 20 equal to 26, then 27. The required route is 1 2 6 9 10 with a total distance of 27. DP applications. Programming can be useful for solving a class of multi-stage problems. Two example situation. The first situation consisted in finding the shortest route and is known as the stagecoach problem in operations research literature. The second situation involved finding the production plan given a non-linear post function. In both the situation, decisions were called for a sequence, and this sequence was built in the problem structures. Now do it yourself. Question number 1, what is dynamic programming? And question number 2, how dynamic programming differ conceptually from linear programming? And that's it from session. Thank you.